I study languages, genres of folklore and culture of the Turkic Mongolian peoples of Siberia. I have been traveling with my students to folklore expeditions around the national republics of Russian Federation from 2007 to 2015. We wanted to study an existence of folklore traditions. Of our expeditions were carried out or Toyota Hiace car. We have driven over 120,000 kilometers with our driver Robert Yevlev. First, we visit two group Ulysses of Republic Sakha-Yakutia in 2007, where the folklore still exists. We have met the Altai peoples, Khakas, Tuvenians, Tatars, Bashkorts, Shorens in 2008. Then we were in the Republic of Buryatia and Aginsk, Ost-Ardensk districts. We went to the folklore expeditions to the Republic of Mongolia and Republic of Kalmykia in 2010 and 2011. Students met with performers, currents of folklore. We worked a total with 592 informants. There 292 of them informants are from the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. The 300 informants are the performers or currents from national republics of Russian Federation. People's songs and хоровод songs, genres of ritual poetry and legends are popular among all Turkic Mongolian people at the present stage. They have mythological foundations and they preserved element of syncretism, dance movements, melody and poetry. I will sing for you an excerpt from Altai ancient song Oyim, my game. Oyim, 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 ong de bol boy de geyim. Ayim, 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 ong de bol boy de geyim. Altayыстың чечеклер, Altayыстың чечеклер, ақ чечеклей, көк чечек, ақ чечеклей, көк чечек. The next song is Bashkort folk song about bulbul, nightingale. Ay bıl-bılım, vay bıl-bılım, agı delde tangata, tangara özeli uzek, jirlata da elata. Tangara özeli uzek, jirlata da elata. People of the older generation gladly pass on song to young people. For example, the Bashkort singer Abdullah Sultanov told the history of this song before they sing. Then he begins to sing beautiful, long-drawn song of their ancestors. Altai's Hakas perform their epos in the style of Kai or Hai. They accompanied epos musical instruments, the topshur and the chathan. But the epos of the Turkic Mongolian people of Siberia is really stopping. There are few performers left. They want to introduce the epos to young people. The school of Haji has been operating on the initiative of the popular Haji transpiration from Republic of Altai. The school of people's sense was reformed under the direction of Sen Asiya Sultanovna Gainushina from Republic of Bashkortostan. Tuvinians are preserving and preparing to revive their epos tool in the Republic. The Yakut epos Lanho was recognized in the UNESCO in 2015. This is one of the ancient epos of Siberia. The Lanho has its own mythology based in the three vision of the world: upper world, middle world, lower world. This is not the state's epos. It tells about mythology, traditions, and culture of people. The Lanho is performed without a musical instrument. Yakutian Hasuts sing in three styles: Jiriti, Dagaren, and Kuturu. Symbol code of melody operates in the Yakut epos. Only the deities from upper world, spirit or from a middle world, and heroes of the tribe Ai sing on the style Jiriti. Dark forces and heroes of the tribe Abasi sing of the style Kuturu. The beautiful girl Tuyaramako, who was taken by the hero tribe of Abasi to lower world, sing his heartfelt song. I'm going to sing for you the thing of Tuyaramako. This thing I listened from currents of folklore traditions in my native village of Sundar Ulus when I was a child. Kimimikelen biha baray ay ban next song is the woman of the tribe Abbas. She sings in the style cultur. Oyada anik beni kuda anıkpın, iyilik ben tahılıkpın, üyere akidiri bitterim, ümürüte tartıları. Oy, onya anite beni kırcı ügete bin, iyede anik beni kuda anıkpın, iyilik ben tahılıkpın, iyilik tahılık, iyede anik beni kuda anıkpın. The end of the song is song of Udagan. Udagan is woman shaman. Cedo abiyebeyem eter tılbın istentor enini bihiki bihiriyetten ağıttın üesken törün kelbepet cedo biyebeyem cedo biyebeyem. The carried out research allow drawing a conclusion that the oral form of the folklore traditions prevails among all Turkic Mongolian people of Russian Federation at the present stage. Hence, the first block of students' folklore expeditions of Northeastern Federal University has and under the named epic folklore traditions of Turkic Mongolian peoples of the Russian Federation in from 2007 to 2015.